The short 8th session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly begins today. The monsoon session will have only 2 sittings. Security has been beefed up in capital Imphal in view of the assembly session. As per a tentative business, obituary reference, presentation of Business Advisory Committee, motion for election of 3 financial committees for the term of 2019-20 report and resolutions of the government will be taken up on the first day of the session. On the second and last day of the session, the House will have question hour, government business and presentation of reports of the assembly committees. Maibam Sanjit from Mongsangai Mayai Laikai succumbed at Raj Medicity, Imphal today following a hit-and-run road accident that occurred on August 23 night at Hyangthang. A joint action committee has been formed by locals of Mongsangai Mayai Laikai after Wangoi police allegedly failed to nab the involved vehicle and its driver. Anal Loan Chief Association Lumdi Anal has strongly condemned the August 22 incident wherein LH David, a Rongchang villager, was allegedly severely beaten up by suspected NSCN IM cadres. A man was found dead at Pangbul village of Tengnopal district. Police retrieved the body and deposited at Janims mortuary for verification, sources informed. A career counseling for the players and guardians of Wusu of Bishnupur district was held at Ningthaukhong with the purpose to produce more medalists from Bishnupur district. A joint meeting of JAC on Lilong Assembly Constituency Road Development Committee was held at Lilong Mayai Laikai, Nganggo Bazar to discuss the deteriorating condition of roads in the Lilong constituency of Thoubal district. The JAC has been formed by Lilong Political Unified Link, Halakyo, ICRO, club organizations and Maira Paibis. The first woman National Youth Awardee from Northeast India, Momota Thaunaujam, was felicitated by BJP Nambol Mandal at Nambol Kaithel Miyamgi Sanglen. Momota promised to work for the development of Manipur in future. Momota hails from Utlau Mayai Laikai. 5 players from Thoubal Sabantongba who represented Manipur at the 15th All India Independent Cup International Karate Championship 2019 held at Talkotora Indoor Stadium, Delhi, were felicitated last night. By-poll to the Badarghat Assembly constituency would be held on September 23 along with Dantewada seat in Chhattisgarh, Pala in Kerala and Hamirpur seat in Uttar Pradesh. The Election Commission on Sunday announced the dates of the by-polls for the 4 Legislative Assembly constituencies. The results of the by-polls will be announced on September 27. Owing to the death of MLA Dilip Sarkar, the Badarghat seat in Tripura fell vacant and by-election became necessary. In yet another setback to the United Liberation Front of Assam Independent, 2 cadres of the militant outfit were apprehended today at Changlang district in Arunachal Pradesh. The 2 Ulfa cadres were apprehended by personnel of the Assam Rifles after a raid conducted in Lanka Basti in Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. A 9mm pistol along with live ammunition was recovered from the nabbed cadres. Kaku Bora hails from Lakhimpur whereas Mintu Tati hails from Dibrugarh district of Assam. The NSCN IM in a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that an honourable solution to the Naga issue is possible only when the issues like a separate flag and constitution are agreed upon. The Naga rebel outfit who have been in peace process with the government since 1997 further said that the framework agreement signed between the central government and NSCN IM is yet to come to fruition despite 3 years having passed. The Naga rebel outfit who have been in peace process with the government since 1997 further said that the framework agreement signed between the central government and NSCN IM is yet to come to fruition despite 3 years having passed. The NSCN leadership also urged the central government to ensure restraint by the Assam Rifles and said that the scenario at present resembles like the pre-ceasefire period with the force showing an aggressive posture, harassing villagers and frisking commuters. Kashmir is likely to be discussed when Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets United States President Donald Trump on the sidelines of the G7 summit today. The Prime Minister arrived in France last evening from Bahrain on a personal invitation from French President Emmanuel Macron. He is scheduled to address sessions on environment, climate, oceans and digital transformation at the summit. Soon after landing in Biarritz, the Prime Minister had his first bilateral meeting with Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Two-time silver medalist PV Sindhu was left speechless after her agonizing wait for the elusive goal finally ended with a maiden World Championship title. Sindhu became the first Indian to win World Championships gold by thrashing familiar rival Nozomi Okuhara of Japan 21-7, 21-7 in one of the most lopsided finals ever.